Changing filters on your BreatheAir portable boxer panel is fast and easy. Before beginning, be sure you have the required filters for replacement. Single filters or a kit with all 3 filters can be purchased through your local distributor. Before getting started, note these tips. Turn off the monitor and detach the air supply. Pull the relief valve to ensure all air is exhausted out of the system. Remove the drain tubes from the drain holes. This is not required but will make the next steps easier. Begin by pushing up and twisting the bowl guard to remove. Repeat this process to remove all the bowl guards. Next, twist the filters clockwise to remove. Repeat this process to remove all filters. To replace the filter on the first stage filter element, unscrew the top deflector. Remove and discard the old filter and replace with a new filter element. Reattach the deflector to the first stage filter element. Replace the new filters into the box or panel. Be careful not to over-tighten, as the filter could break. Now that the new filters are in place, check the bowls for cracks or discoloration. If needed, remove debris and wipe the bowls clean with a soft, dry cloth. Do not use any cleaning solutions or solvents on the bowls. Reinstall the bowls and insert the drain tubes if you remove them. It's recommended to change all 3 filters at least once a year, regardless of product use, or when notified by indicators. Each filter kit comes with O-rings. If you're not sure when or how to replace them, contact our customer support team.